Are you looking for a good natural mosquito repellent for the skin? In this video, I'm going to share my favorite natural, safe, and effective repellent, plus share some individual essential oils that you can diffuse indoors or outdoors to keep bugs away. And I'm going to show you how to make a DIY roller blend for those times you do need bug bite relief. My name is Carla Santiago, a certified Qigong teacher and essential oil specialist. I combine the wisdom of these two ancient health modalities in today's modern world to reduce stress, increase vitality, and teach mind and body wellness tips for elevating our wellness journey. If you are looking for ways to consistently nurture mind-body wellness, hit the subscribe button and stick around to the end, and I'll share my free essential oils for stress and sleep resource. First, some interesting facts about mosquitoes. Number one, it's only the female mosquitoes that bite us because they require a blood meal to reproduce, while male mosquitoes feed on plant nectar. Number two, mosquitoes are attracted to dark colors, particularly black and navy blue, as they stand out in nature. And number three, they have a highly developed sense of smell and can detect the carbon dioxide that we exhale from up to 75 feet away. And number four, mosquitoes are responsible for more human deaths than any other animal on the planet, as they can transmit diseases. So let's talk about real natural solutions. There are many plants that contain vapors that act as barrier protection from potential threats in their environment, such as insects. These plants also provide us with a unique and natural gift of defending ourselves in the same way. Essential oils that are particularly helpful include citronella, peppermint, cedarwood, and lemongrass. Let me introduce you to Terra Shield. Known as the repellent blend, Terra Shield is a natural repellent made with pure doTERRA CPTG essential oils. It combines citronella, lemongrass, thyme, cedarwood, geranium, and peppermint essential oils in a base of sesame seed oil. Each essential oil was selected based on its traditional use outdoors. Now, most repellents are full of toxins and synthetics, which can leave you feeling helpless and frustrated, as your only choices seem to be use a toxin-ridden repellent, suffer the bites, or stay inside all summer. Terra Shield allows you to protect your family and your skin without synthetic products. Terra Shield reflects EPA guidelines and regulations as a registered repellent in the US and has tested at greater than 90% efficacy at more than 4 hours. With this natural repellent, you and your family can enjoy mosquito-free time in nature or in your own backyard. And because little ones shouldn't be exposed to certain chemicals found in many insect repellents, Terra Shield serves as an excellent natural solution. In fact, my youngest granddaughter is a mosquito magnet, and we were able to test this on her last summer at a camping trip where there were clearly mosquitoes present, and it worked great, giving us and her the confidence to be outdoors and enjoy camping again after a bad experience with mosquitoes the year prior. Just apply Terra Shield topically to the skin before spending time outdoors. Another tip to keep bugs away at home is to diffuse either Terra Shield or individual oils such as cedarwood and lemongrass. And for those times that those pesky bugs do get to you and you need bug bite relief, essential oils can help with that too. I'm going to show you how to make a bug bite relief roller blend. This simple DIY combines the powerful soothing properties of lavender with the cooling impact of peppermint. And together these oils can help alleviate skin irritation, and you can apply it as often as you need to. So making roller blends is a very simple way to use your essential oils, and in a variety of different ways. So I have my 10 ml roller here, and I'm going to add 10 drops of lavender. And then I'm going to add 10 drops of peppermint.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then I'm going to fill the rest with my fractionated coconut oil. And by being fractionated, it takes the hard part out of the coconut oil, so it remains liquid, and it also does not have the smell of coconut oil. So you only smell your essential oils. Fill it up to the top. Add my little roller top, like a little stainless steel roller top. And then add my lid. And then because essential oils do separate, you want to gently mix it, give it a little shake before you use it. And now it's ready to go. I'll put a sticker on here that says bug bites, and we're set for the summer to have that relief when needed. And the beautiful thing about using essential oils is that they have so many different uses that when you have something like this, you can typically use it for a variety of different things. For example, if I had some head tension, I can use the same roller that I made for bug bites with lavender and peppermint and put it on my temples and the back of my neck. With your Terra Shield and your DIY Bug Bite Relief Roller Blend, you are equipped to enjoy your summer. Just remember to pack them for your hikes, campouts, and other outdoor activities. In another video, I will share tips on natural ways to protect and nourish your skin from the sun during the summer months. And now I invite you to download my free Essential Oils for Stress and Sleep resource to promote mind-body wellness throughout the day by clicking the link in the description. And if you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more mind-body wellness videos, and sending you much peace. Thank you for watching.